Hello friends, today we are recovering all of my living room pillows. Hello Penny. These are all her pillows now. So I was in the mood to create something faster, simpler, easier. Bear, would you like to get up here? Thank you. Yes. So that in combination with a really torn up pillow, but also I found a really cute fox and mushroom fabric and wanted to update the living room to incorporate foxes with mushrooms. This pillow is the priority. We need to cover this pillow. We need to get a pillowcase for this pillow because dogs happen. This says it's 18 by 17. I feel like if we took the 18, bumped up an inch for seam allowance, bumped up another inch just because, then a 20 by 20 square should be fine, right? So the first pillow was this one. Essentially it was, I measured the pillow, I sewed the fabric into a rectangle, but also made sure that I sewed a zipper into it. All right, making sure our zipper is facing down so that when we scooch it out that ways, it will be right side up. Why yes, our fabric is maroon, zipper is purple, and thread is brown. Thank you for noticing. It is what it is. It's a pillow. It's not that serious. We're using scraps. It's gonna be fine. We do want a back stitch though. That is serious. For pretty much the rest of the pillows, I measured them out, made sure that I cut my fabric so that it would have a 1/2 inch seam allowance at least, and a little bit of overlap on this side to have that little overlapped opening. The red fabric, which doesn't exactly coordinate, but has some of the vibes with the plaid fabric. I feel like the tan matches this tan, so we're going off of that, and it stops the living room from being entirely burgundy. For this one, I'm going to be doing a fold over insertion point instead of the zipper, so I am folding over the salvage, that's what it's called, because it's not a raw edge, it's a salvage, and I'm just going to go over that once, sandwich it over itself as a place to put in the pillow. So, well, this is the long ways. Yeah, that will fit quite nicely from here to here. 18.5, 1/2 inch seam allowance makes it 19.5. Let's bump that up to 20, about right here. This is a pillow with the most unique construction because it is a tube and made from being scratched together because I did not have enough of any of the fabrics to finish it. One pillow left and I ran out of fabric. This is all of the maroon fabric that I have left. So I have this sewn down at, I don't know, a 1/4 inch seam allowance. It very much banks on this fabric not fraying like at all. I have this much of the fox fabric. I'm gonna see if I can make an oval for the circular end and try to attach it to this. So just know that I'm trying. This is going to be completely haphazard. The fox with pumpkins and mushrooms fabric was $11.50 minus 70%. Chicory fabric, that was $12.20 minus 70%. This one was $4.27 minus 75%. So let's say $8 for fabric. I think this was like an hour. So if this was an hour at $20 an hour, then it was total less than $30 for this project. If you go to like TJ Maxx or Home Goods and have to pay, I say $10 for a throw pillow, that would be reasonable, like a reasonable TJ Maxx price.
Hello, it is Editing Eden here to say that was a weird place for my camera to cut off. I love it when you give me any questions, comments, or concerns down below. New videos should be out on Fridays, but not every Friday. So if you liked this video or this kind of content, feel free to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and that little bell icon so you know when I actually do post. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
I turn on the camera to film, and now I am a pug parade. What's up with that? Personal space. He doesn't like that. Just please keep your socks out of the sofa. Shoes.
Oh no.
That's not yours.
That is Penelope's.
That's another shoe.